In this lecture, we'll discuss the new regulations brought by National Medical Commission. These regulations mark a paradigm shift in how faculty eligibility is determined, shifting the focus from rigid service norms to competency, teaching experience, and academic merit. So, following the very announcement by the central government toward 75,000 new medical seats over the next 5 years, the National Medical Commission has notified the medical institutions qualifications of faculty regulation 2025 aimed at widening the pool of eligible faculty and facilitating the expansion of undergraduate MBBS and postgraduate MD and MS seats in medical colleges across India. The new regulations have been brought in by the Postgraduate Medical Education Board under the National Medical Commission, the statutory body regulating medical education, professionals, institutes, and research in India. According to the revised regulations, non-teaching government hospitals with more than 220 beds can now be designated as teaching institutions. Also, specialists with 10 years experience can be appointed as associate professors and specialists with 2 years of experience can be appointed as assistant professors without the mandatory senior residency, provided they completed the basic course in biomedical research within 2 years. These regulations mark a paradigm shift in how faculty eligibility is determined, shifting the focus from rigid service norms to competency, teaching experience, and academic merit. The National Medical Commission, in a statement, adding that the reform would accelerate the expansion of medical education, particularly in underserved areas. Other changes include expanded use of MSc and PhD faculty, where in addition to anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry, the departments of microbiology and pharmacology can now appoint faculty with MSc PhD qualifications. The upper age limit for appointment as a senior resident has been increased to 50 years in preclinical and paraclinical subjects including anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry. Besides expanding the eligibility for super specialties, allowing utilization of existing faculty across departments. The new set of regulations also states that senior consultants with 3 years of teaching experience in government medical institutions recognized by the National Board of Examinations and Medical Science are eligible for post of professor and diploma holders working as specialists and medical officers. in the respective departments of a government medical institutions or a government medical institution running a teaching program recognized by the National Board of Examinations and Medical Sciences and having cumulative experience of 6 years shall be eligible for the post of assistant professor, etc., allowing internal cadre mobility. The National Medical Commission regulations note that faculty with super specialty qualifications currently working in broad specialty departments can be formally designated as faculty in their corresponding super specialty departments. Medical doctors have called the new set of regulations an attempt to dilute the quality of teaching. The National Medical Commission is reducing preconditions for being teachers with an aim of creating more colleges and students, but this measure is missing out the fact that rigorous teaching standards must be maintained to ensure good patient care. A senior doctor has said that in central government facilities, but welcoming the very move, the National Medical Teachers Association noted that through the medical institutions qualification of faculty regulation 2025 dating June 30 and the very amendment notification as dated July 2, 2025, the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare had restored the permissible 30% appointment limit for teachers with medical MSc and PhD qualifications in the 5 non-clinical subjects such as anatomy, biochemistry, physiology, pharmacology, and microbiology. This correction brings a much needed end to the years of injustice that stemmed from the 2020 guidelines, which had severely impacted the careers, livelihoods, and dignity of non medical teachers while also aggravating faculty shortages in medical colleges across India, as it was expressed by the National Massive Medical Teachers Association.